Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add photo to job resume in Canva. First thing you do is log into your Canva app using your app or website www.canva.com. Sign in with your credentials, and once you're in, this is the home page. Next thing you do is you can click on create a design on the left menu here, or from this here, want a template. You can see this over here, want a template for example, click on more. So what we like to create, so if you check through here, you see a resume. If you keep searching, this is resume, so click on resume. Now I want to use the resume template, so let's say we choose this one, which is the basic one, or we can choose this one. I like this better, so I've chosen this simple professional resume. Next thing we're gonna do is, now I want to learn how to add photos. Now this photo, I do not want this, I want to put mine. So delete image and then right click on it. As you can see, there's no option for adding the image, but you can just simply go to where you stored your image. In my case, I'm going to go to where I stored my image. I have them under downloads, so, and I have my image here. So I'm going to open it up. So I've opened it up. This is the image. Then I'm going to save this image by clicking on it. Click on copy. Then I'm going to go back, right click, click on paste or Ctrl V, depends on you. Then you put the image there. It's as simple as that. So now I've added photo to my resume, job resume in Canva. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, I can subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.